NOS, the easy button of street racing. The sweet nectar of victory. Everyone knows that having NOS in your car increases your chances of hurting your opponent's feelings by 10,000%. But wait a second, can't that stuff blow up your car? And when I say blow up, I'm not talking about the engine. I mean literally blow up your car. Now we all know where this urban myth came from. Of course, the quintessential street racing movie, Fast and the Furious. Dominic Toretto and Brian O'Connor just evaded capture from the LAPD with some awesome action racing stunts. We learned that Brian has a history of boosting cars, and that Dom has spent 2 years in jail and that he'll rather die than ever go back.
I'll die before I go back.
Really, dude? You did 2 years in jail and you'd rather die than never go back? I was expecting him to say at least a 20-year bid before he would die and never come back. But before Brian can tell Dom to chill out, 7 Asian bikers slide up with mop sticks and they want that smoke. So Dom and Brian are forced to pull over into the most decadent Chinese restaurant or embassy for that stick talk. And oh shit, it's Dominic's old racing op, Donnie Tran, and his cousin Lance, who definitely has a questionable choice in fashion. Tran asks Dom why he's in his hood, then asks who owns the Supra. Brian tries to pass it off as Dom's because he don't want that smoke. Nice one, Brian. Then Dom says it's Brian's because he definitely doesn't want that smoke. Nice one, Dom. And finally Tran says, oh, it's nobody's car. Tran tells Dom that he'll see him in the desert for race wars. And then he and the homies bounce. But before they pull off, you know your boy Dom has to clap back. And then he says,
yeah, you're gonna need more than that crotch rocket.
Ooh. Great comeback, bad decision. Because Tran and Leopard Pants come back and turn that beautiful green Supra into Swiss cheese. It catches fire, and then we get the infamous line that was heard around the automotive world. NOS! Okay, so from this scene, we get the idea that NOS is a very flammable material and that it can in fact blow up your car. But is this a little bit of movie magic, or is this actually true? Today we're gonna find out. So before we discuss how accurate this scene was, let's first talk about what NOS actually does. NOS, standing for Nitrous Oxide System, is the least expensive power adder you can put on your motor. And this colorless, odorless gas is the same stuff doctors use and is commonly known as laughing gas. Now when it comes to cars, a nitrous system uses nitrogen oxide to pump extra oxygen into your engine, along with additional fuel. So in a way, it's acting like a supercharger because it's boosting your engine's combustion chamber pressures. Nitrous users notice a huge increase in torque and liken the experience to driving a vehicle with an engine that's twice as big. NOS street kits add between 50 and 300 horsepower, and for as little as only $500. Yo, that's cheap as fuck. When properly installed, nitrous is the best horsepower per dollar investment that you could make to go faster. Okay, so how does NOS work? You have a 10-pound bottle of nitrous mounted in the trunk and connected to the engine by a high pressure line. When you flip the arming switch in your car, your nitrous system is activated, including an easy to reach activation switch. Think Brian O'Connor's NOS buttons in Fast and the Furious. Foot to the floorboard, your throttle busts wide open. You hit that fast as balls button, flowing liquid nitrous from the bottle to the jets in the intake manifold. The fuel pump flows extra fuel at the same time, and the nitrous mixes with the fuel, creating additional oxygen, and a massive 500 to 300 plus horsepower boost instantly. Then that baby hits like the light speed button in the Millennium Falcon, smoking your opponent and giving them an excellent view of your taillights. I feel you, Jaw. We feel you. There are two types of nitrous systems. A nitrous system can be dry, meaning that the nozzle injects only nitrous, and that the fuel injectors handle additional fuel demands. Or you can have a wet system, where the nozzle sprays nitrous and fuel simultaneously. But if it's more oxygen that we want inside of our car's engine, why don't we just shoot a little bit more in there? Like with a tank or something. Well, pioneering drag racer Barney Navarro actually already tried this in the 1950s. And the results were a complete disaster. He found that a straight shot of oxygen to your car's engine causes fuel to explode at pretty much any place that's hot enough. When this happens, we get the dreaded pinging and knocking from pre-ignition. And all Navarro got from his hard work was a blown engine. Nice try though, bud. The benefit of nitrous oxide, or NOS, is that it doesn't release oxygen into your engine's cylinders until it's already mixed with gas and ready to ignite. But what about when cars with NOS spray mist coming from the engine? Can that be the reason why cars with NOS blow up?
Yeah, back y'all asses up. Back up, back up.
Sorry to break your bubble, but no, not really. You see, that really has to do with how the nitrous system actually works. Nitrous delivery systems are designed to mix the right amount of fuel as the pressurized nitrous pours into the engine. Now what you see when a car expels out white smoke is actually called a purge. This happens when a valve releases any air and nitrous oxide gas that might be trapped in the lines. Without a purge, the car would bog down for an instant until the liquid nitrous oxide reaches the intake. It would run rich and wouldn't fire right. When the purge system is activated, one or more plumes of nitrous oxide will flash from liquid into vapor as they're released. So when that 20-year-old beater of a Honda Civic pulls up to you at a stoplight and wants to race, and then this happens, yeah, he got that smoke and he bought that action. Okay, let's take a look at some nitrous oxide myths and see if they're right or dead fucking wrong. Myth number 1, NOS will fuck up your engine. While nitrous oxide has the potential to cause engine damage, it can provide years of safe and effective horsepower gains if installed and operated properly. So when you're injecting nitrous into your engine, you're going to want to make sure that you match that with the correct amount of fuel. And if you don't do this, you're actually going to lean out the motor. And then you're going to burn it up. You're going to have an adequate fuel system not only for the motor demands, but also for the nitrous demands. Rather than the questionable warning of you're going to blow the welds on your intake found in most movies, the improper use of nitrous can damage pistons, bend connecting rods, and even destroy the crankshaft. You do have to be responsible with it. Fuel safety precautions are the best way to ensure safety when using nitrous. Now, if the right amount of safety equipment, NOS is just as safe as a supercharger or a turbocharger. Obviously, an expert on how to utilize nitrous should be consulted before a kit is installed. Myth number 2, can a stock engine actually deal with that extra 300 horsepower that you get from NOS? Or you're gonna have to spend an extra $20,000 just to rebuild the damn engine. Now, there are no guarantees when increasing the engine performance above the manufacturer specifications. However, most manufacturers have a safety margin designed into their engines that allows for increases in horsepower with no detrimental effects. Also, because the use of nitrous oxide is driver controlled, its exposure to the engine only happens when you press that button. Now, this allows your engine to operate under normal conditions most of the time. Myth number 3, nitrous oxide, or NOS, is actually highly illegal. Luckily for you, this is 100% not true. As long as the components have a certification number, it should be legal. However, an irritated or uninformed police officer may still write you a ticket if he sees a nitrous oxide container. And of course, it would be up to you to go fight it in court. Yeah, fuck 12. Last and not least, number 4, can NOS, nitrous oxide, actually blow up your car? Can we get a drum roll? Mostly fiction. Kinda, with some caveats. Let me explain. So, to start things off, nitrous oxide on its own is not flammable at all. Now, it does have a high amount of oxygen, obviously, and that combined with fuel creates a big powerful explosion in the engine, which obviously makes you go a lot faster. And of course, everybody knows oxygen mixed with fire can make it burn a lot quicker. So in the movie, when the car does explode and they do say NOS and explodes a little bit more, yeah, I guess so. Now by itself, if your nitrous bottle does explode in the absence of an open flame, no, your car will not explode into flames spontaneously. It won't blow up, unless of course your car catches flame and... yeah, probably should get out in that case. Yeah, if that makes sense. So in that case, we're gonna call this one a probably not, no. So there we go, myth busted, all right? NOS will not make your car explode. In other news, we just launched our brand new Patreon. Check me out on patreon.com/modernmuscle. You can also follow me on Instagram at modernmuscleyt, and I'll see ya next time. Peace.